Pull out the emergency stop switch. Press the power switch to turn on the electric pallet truck. Press the lift button and lower handle to lift the tray. Turn the control handle to move the pallet cart back and forth. Power off. Press the emergency stop switch to turn off the electric pallet truck. Before charging the pallet truck, turn off the switch and emergency stop switch first. The charger is first inserted into the end plug of the pallet cart. Plug it back into the power socket. Pallet truck starts charging. Unplug the power socket plug after charging. Then unplug the end of the pallet. Remove the charger.